I believe it's a Peter Drucker quote that said, "There's nothing more wasteful than improving something that should no longer exist in the first place." To me, that's exciting, because through this ongoing analysis and learning, it gives us the building blocks, it gives us the cognitive skills to really be able to look at things from that bigger picture and then say, maybe it's time now, we've improved this and we've hit our point of diminishing returns, but we now have the confidence, right? We need to have the confidence as a team or an organization that we're going to sunset or retire this process and really find a new way. We're gonna innovate or even invent a new way of doing things. And to me, that's the magic of technology, and where we are with technology and healthcare, and the ability of great talented people to bring fresh ideas and really make it better for all of us.